Hello everyone, welcome to my again channel that is Talk to Invest. I hope so you all are great and fine. And right now I am discussing something really important for the coming years and my view is broader. And if you are investor and want to invest for the longer term, then this is a right opportunity in all the sectors. So today I want to share my view on the auto sector, and auto sector is really a bad sector for all of us because of the coronavirus issue. And right now this is the nifty auto sector chart in front of you. This is a weekly chart if you are seeing. So this is a view I am sharing right now, that the sector is not performing till the last 5 to 6 years. And right now because of the coronavirus issue, all things are going down and all stocks are going down, but this is not the case for some stocks. So my view is bigger, and if you are investor and if you understand this thing, that the coronavirus issue can be solved in this year, that is 2020, and after that the persons are rushing to buy a new car or a new bike. Right now many companies like Tata Motors, the some relative of my family said that they are giving such offers at reasonable prices. So you buy a car now, and after that you can pay the rest payment in the 2021 year. So Nifty Auto or the auto sector, I can say that the Nifty Auto again, I am sorry, the auto sector is again performing in the coming years. So my issue is that somewhat the auto sector is really performed bad for the past 2 years, but 2 3 years. And if you see, this is the, as I said, this is the auto sector weekly chart, and this is a topping out area where we see at 12,000 Nifty Auto is going down and stocks are going down. And right now, due to the coronavirus, the auto sector is get really bad view for all of us, and auto sector is performing bad. So why the auto stocks are going up a side? So if everyone is saying that the auto sector is bad right now, don't invest in auto sector. So why auto stocks and auto auxiliary stocks are going up? So there is a need for, you need to concern that market is a smart player and market like to play with your emotions. And if you understand the market psychology, you really earn money in the stock market also. So if you don't understand the market psychology, you can't earn in the stock market. So as I said, my view is bigger. It can take 2 to 3 years. And if you're watching this my video, and right now there is a coronavirus issue, as I said, why there is a upside momentum in this at this point, that is 4,000 point. And also auto accessories and auto sector is performing good, and right now it is going upper sides. And in later video we also discuss some stocks, and I am telling you which is the best stock in the auto sector. So till then you can watch this video and don't skip. I am sharing right knowledge and helps you to understand for the longer term. So I am going to use Fibonacci retracement, and this is performing great, and this is the level where the most investors invest. And if you see, I take the Fibonacci from 2008 or 2009 level, and there is a continuously uptrend, and the black line is a 2200 exponential moving average, and the price is going upwards. And if you see also that the price is going upside, and right now it is taking a support of 62% retracement at 5000 level. So at, if you know the Fibonacci retracement, 61 point, or I can say 62% is a retracement, is a really good level where almost all stocks are recovered, and we see a huge trend in the upper side. Agar 61.8% or 62%, I can say, we can see more upper side. And right now 61% 0.8% is acting as a support for the auto sector. And right now if I share the topping out area is at 2018, until now after 2 to 3 years we are not performing in the auto sector, but in future the growth is really good if we consider that the coronavirus issue is almost solved, and in some time later there are various other countries also developing vaccine or some medicines for the coronavirus, and we soon at the end of the year or the starting of the next year at 2001 when everything is fine, जब सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा तब तो हम एक अपर साइड देख सकते हैं। मगर ये जो लेवल्स पे आज आपको ऑटो सेक्टर मिल रहा है, ऑटो स्टॉक्स मिल रहे हैं, ये इन फ्यूचर में नहीं मिलेंगे। जहाँ पे मोस्ट इन्वेस्टर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं वो ये टाइम है कि जहाँ पे बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं स्टॉक्स में एट द 61.8%, and I am going to show you the some stocks as I said in the later, and this is a bigger picture. I am telling you the auto sector is performing great in the coming years, and this is a bottoming of auto sector at this point at 5,000 is the really crucial for the auto sector, and right now the auto sector is taking support at 61.8%, and we can see in coming years or in coming months or 8,000 level in the auto sector, and if 200 EMA is crossed and we sustain above in months or 2 months and there is a vaccine, so we everyone is saying that the auto sector is good, but this is the right time you can invest some amount and you can take the investment opportunities for the long term. So if you invest in my guide, I am not telling you to invest directly. You need to get touch to the financial advisor of yours, and everyone capital is different, so you need to touch with the capital advisor to invest before I am saying, and everyone has different capital, and also you have also different capital, so you need to watch the stocks and watch the auto sector. And right now I am showing the chart of the auto indices, that is Nifty Auto, and right now if you see there is a morning star pattern here at this level 61.8%, and right now we also see on this week also we see a bullish candle here. So why we say that auto sector is not performing? So this can be performing at great level, and almost all stocks are performing in the stocks in the auto sector. There are 2 3 stocks which are not performing good in the auto sector, and we can see a huge momentum in the auto sector in the coming years. So we move to the, if you are investor and want to invest in the auto sector for longer term, then you can invest by considering that your view is bigger and this is a right time to invest. Everyone who is saying that this is not the right time to invest in the auto sector, there are many things. As I, this is the Nifty Auto, and if I go to the Nifty Pharma, so I am showing the Nifty Pharma. If I use the Fibonacci from 2009 to till now, because this is the trend where the market pharma sector is going to booming out, and right now it is taking a 61.8% retracement, and we see a huge upside momentum in the pharma sector if you see this. And this is a week of 23rd March, because there is a coronavirus issue and there is a demanding of this sector also. This is a pharma sector, and I am showing you this again. The this is a 61.8% retracement level, and in 2 3 weeks or 4 5 weeks I say that from March to till May, 2 3 months we see crossing of this 200 EMA and we sustain above. So in the coming years we need to keep eye. So हमें देखते रहना है फार्मा सेक्टर ने तो अपना बॉटम आउट पैटर्न बना के अपना कहीं ना कहीं 200 EMA पे सस्टेन हो गया है, तो हमें निफ्टी ऑटो सेक्टर में भी अपनी आई रखनी है। कहीं ना कहीं इनके स्टॉक्स भी यहीं से मूव अप होने लगेंगे धीरे धीरे, तो हमें इकट्ठी क्वांटिटी में कभी नहीं लेने स्टॉक्स, हमें छोटी छोटी क्वांटिटी में लेने हैं जैसे वो बढ़ते रहते हैं। इफ़ यू नो इन द अप ट्रेंड वी में हायर highs like pattern, so every time there is a dip we need to buy, every time there is a dip we need to buy, and every time we need a huge high, we immediately take exit, and when the correction ends, we need to buy at this level. After we gone to this rally, and after there is a correction, we exit from here, and after there is entry point rally, and this way we make money in the stock market. So this is the right time, I can say, to invest in the auto sector, and we can see in 2 3 months, and we are sustaining above, like on December or September or November, we can see a huge rally in the auto sector, and we can sustain above this 200 EMA, and we can cross 8,000 level on the upper side. So this is the right time to invest in the auto sector, I guess. So this is my opinion, and this is my broader view for the auto sector. If I have auto sector and auto auxiliary stocks are doing good, and if I going to the some stocks, telling you some stocks, one is Mother Some. This is auto auxiliary stock, and if you see, this is a weekly chart, and I take a Fibonacci retracement. This almost completes 78% retracement, and this is also a good level. So we need to, this is the last level where there is a bounce can claim only. We need not to wait, and if we see a downside momentum from here, we simply take exit from any stock. So the minimum retracement, that is 78.6. जब से ज़्यादा we need to do the retracement of 78.6%, and if the market is going upper side, अगर market कहीं ना कहीं मिनिमम मैक्सिमम रिट्रेसमेंट जो होती है फिबोनाची की 61% 0.8%, or some people can say 62% is the last retracement, but there are some stocks who consider who can go up to 78.6%. So we need to keep eye on that stocks also, because there is a that time also the stocks can move up. So this is the nifty mother Somni stock, and if this is a weekly and this is a daily chart, and if you see, we also see a triangle breakout here also, and we are going to the upper side, and we can, in upcoming case, we can reach to the 110 level in the mother Somi, and if we sustains on this 200 EMA of the daily chart, we can consider more upward movement. We can cross to the 150 level also in the upcoming days if the auto auxiliary stocks are performing. So every time you need work in the stock market, you need to work with the strict stop losses. This is the basic rule you need to follow. Either you are an investor, either you are a short-term trader, either you are a long-term investor, or quarterly investment. This is stop loss is strict. So stop loss is that area where the stock comes below that, you simply take exit from it, you not hold. So I am going through the TVS motor chart right now, and if you see, I have also shared the stock with our members, and if you see, I use the Fibonacci. Fibonacci retracement is doing good, and if you see, the TVS motor is standing at this point also. The Fibonacci retracement is at this point also, and this is also a 61.8% retracement level, and this is the final level that stock can do up to 61% 0.8% maximum correction, because there is a uptrend in the market from for 2014 to 2018, and 2018 is a top, and after that, after there is a big rally, there a correction can come in the market, and this is the maximum correction can it take 61.8% or 78%. We need to work with the stick stop losses, and this is also, if I remove all the levels we mark, and if I draw Fibonacci again for you, yeah, so this is good. So if you see, in this week also we see a green candle here. Here we see a green candle at the bottoming out pattern at 240 level on TVS motor, and this is a weekly chart. And if you enter at this point, or you enter at 61% retracement in the future for the long term investment, these stocks are performing good because of the coronavirus. If once the coronavirus ends and everyone is fine. These stocks are giving you great returns in the coming years. So we need to keep eye. We not go directly to invest in these stocks. We need to do analyze for regulatory purpose, and we need to follow some rules, and we need also to follow the candlestick patterns what the charts are showing to us. We need to follow. So some are saying that the financial reports of the stocks is not good. If you see there, if you see the member, though those persons who are doing job, they are getting salaries cutting down by their bosses in many offices. So when the once the corona issue solved, they the boss can increase their salary, or I can say boss can give some benefits, some bonuses after once the coronavirus issue is solved. So likewise the market, the stocks are performing great, and this is a Maruti Suzuki stock. So guys, this is a Maruti Suzuki stock in front of you, and this is also a weekly chart. So those who are saying that the auto sector is not good, I say auto sector is good, and if your vision is for long-term investment, you can invest, and this is the right time to invest in the auto sector. I guess there are many sectors who are performing great, and those are who are in the correction period. If you see, this is the stock is going upper side and taking a support of 200 EMA, and this is a rally of 2000 to 2018, and after that Maruti is going down. So we need to work with the stick stop losses as I tell, and this is a level that the maximum retracement is going to happen, that is 62%, and right now stock is doing same. And this is also, if I zoom out in little bit, if I zoom in little bit, and if you see this is a stock at this point makes a bullish engulfing, and right now it is doing retracement of this level, and after that we see a breakout at this point. And if we go to the daily chart, so if I go to the daily chart, and right now if you see, this is the rally we see, this is the correction we see in the Maruti, and if we draw a channel trend line here, there is a breakout here, and it is going to the upper side, and it is going to the upper side while market is going downside, but the stocks are performing good. So in the coming years, we seeing a good rally in these stocks in the auto sector. So this is a bottoming of the auto sector. You can invest for the long term if your is vision long, as I am sharing my analyze to help you that the auto sector is good. You can, if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I share one stock also. I forget little bit the name of the stock. So there are many stocks in the auto sector. So yeah, please wait. One auto sector stock is one auto. I tell you the Mothersomi and Maruti, and there are lack of stocks, hundreds of stocks I can tell in this market other than the auto sector, because auto sector is starting to booming out. It is going step by step, and other stock is, I guess, Mothersomi. I am going, I guess I tell you, and the other stock is TVS Motor. So yeah, this is also a good stock, and if you see, this is a daily chart. If I go to the weekly chart, the larger time frame, this is the correction of all the time frame, and if I use Fibonacci, it is also standing at 61.8% retracement level right now. If I tell you the three stocks in front of you, there are many stocks, auto accessories, and also auto stocks which are performing good. So sorry guys, this is a TVS motor. No, this is a TVS motor. I went to TVS Tata Motors. Yeah. So if you see, this is the lowest point at the Tata Motors of 10 years. If you see, 2010 to 2010. So if we take bounces from this level, we can see a huge momentum on the upper side. And if we starting making a higher high patterns, as I said, in the uptrend market, we see a higher high patterns, and we need to always enter at correction point and always sell at higher level and exit from it. And after it came down for the correction, we simply again enter it and we simply take again participate in the rally. So this way we need to enter in the market. And right now, if I see 92 is acting, if I go to the daily chart in front of you, 92 92 is acting as a resistance and it is making a high, one high, and this is a retracement. And if it's starting again at this point 79, we see a huge new high here at this level, and we can see 102 level again, 120 level again in the Tata Motors. So I there are many stocks, as I tell you, need to find it out. And this is all for this video, and if you like my initiative to make video on this auto sector, and there are many sectors who are performing great, and we are seeing after coronavirus issue is solved, once we can see a great rally. But the coronavirus issue solves later, but our stocks are performing good. There are many stocks and many sectors who are performing great. We need to keep watch on it, and we also need to work with the strict stop losses. And if your view is bigger, if your way is for long term, you can invest in auto sector for long term and always work with those strict stop losses. I am not recommending these stocks. I am sharing my view to you that in larger picture, in the long term, these stocks perform great. And if you are long term investor for 3 to 4 years, you can get a great investment. And this is the right time to invest because the all stocks are getting at cheap prices and they are completed correction. The final correction, as Fibonacci retracement says, that is 62.8%, and some stocks are going to do 70.36% retracement as much as, and not more than that. So I hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. सो आया मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आई होगी तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें ना जाइए। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है, इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, यू कैन कमेंट डाउन बिलो। आई विल मीट यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो।